fix Zenless Zone 0 Unity crash, Zenless Zone 0 Unity error, PC and Android. Hello everyone, welcome back to this video where I'm going to show you few of the methods that you can use in order to fix the Unity error, whether it is in your PC or in your Android device. So in order to do it, what you can do is you can simply force DirectX 12. So for that you need to first navigate to the location where Zenless Zone 0 is installed, or right click on the shortcut and then select open file location. Then you need to locate the Zenless Zone 0 executable file and right click on it. Then you need to select create shortcut option. Now right click on the shortcut and close and choose properties. Then you need to add this force option. I will put the link of it down in the description and you can even check it from here. At the end of the target text, make sure to include a space before it. Use this shortcut to play the game instead of the launcher. So with the help of this method you will be able to fix the issue, but if you are not able to do so, then you can even try updating your GPU's drivers. So if the above step doesn't resolve the issue, then you need to ensure that you have the latest Intel or any other GPU drivers installed. This is especially crucial if you haven't updated them recently. You can download the latest drivers from the official supported website. So with the help of these two methods, you are definitely going to fix the issue in your game. I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.